Cleaning big drains is a big job, and a wet one. That's why it's important to keep your workspace as neat and safe as possible, especially when you're dealing with electrical cords. The Ridgid K5208 drain cleaner is designed to keep the electrical cord out of the way during transport and secure the GFCI in place, both of which minimize the chance for damage. The K5208 clears clogged drain lines of 2 inches to 8 inches and up to 200 feet in length, using 7/8 inch and 1¼ inch diameter sectional cable in institutional, commercial, or residential settings. With our unique power cord management system, we make it as easy as possible to set up quickly. In setup mode, the cord is off the ground and wound neatly around the handle. To remove, twist and pull the locking pin to release the clutch, and the whole cord dumps immediately. When you're done, the cord wraps up quickly and neatly in a compact package. You place it in these grooves to ensure the GFCI aligns in front and clips in place. Transportation is made easy with our innovative cord management system. Just one of the many advanced features on Ridgid's new K5208, the most powerful and compact sectional drain cleaner on the market. And you can take it anywhere. And like every tool from the brand with nearly 100-year history of quality craftsmanship, the Ridgid K5208 sectional drain cleaner is tough, durable, and dependable, and comes with a full lifetime warranty.